All right, it is about 12:30 on July 1st. We are headed out on our second hike at Rocky Mountain National Park. We completed the Sky Pond Trail this morning, so we already did about 10 miles. So please excuse us if we're not as energetic as we usually are, but we're determined to do this trail. We are headed out on the Emerald Lake Trail. So we're actually gonna see a bunch of lakes. We're gonna see Bear Lake, we're gonna see Nymph Lake, Dream Lake, Emerald Lake, and Lake Hyea. Sorry if I'm butchering that. So we're gonna see a bunch of lakes. I think it's gonna be about 4 miles because we parked at the Glacier Gorge. We parked at the Glacier Gorge trailhead because we were afraid to leave our spot and head to Bear Lake because it's the afternoon now. We probably wouldn't have gotten a spot. So about 4 miles. And what was the elevation gain? Like just under 700 feet?
678, I think you said?
Yeah, so we got this. Let's do this. Basically past Bear Lake now, so if you park at the Bear Lake trailhead, the trail will be a little bit shorter for you. So, as some of you may know, Rocky Mountain National Park is known for having afternoon thunderstorms. This is our second hike of the day. It's starting to get a little bit cloudy, so I hope the weather will hold out so we could do this whole trail. Cross your fingers. We made it to Nymph Lake. The cool thing about this lake is all the lily pads in the water. Not something you usually see.
Soaking up all the views at Nymph Lake.
Normally I'm not like about
On to Dream Lake. Check out this view.
Currently dying on this trail. Dying.
A couple of drops are starting to come down. I am crossing my fingers that the weather will hold out so we can hit up all the lakes. I think we're getting pretty close to Dream Lake now, so cross your fingers for us. We made it to Dream Lake.
So we were trying to get an action shot, but there's a photo shoot going on for international mail. So
we found the best spot anyway, so it doesn't matter. it to Emerald Lake. We have our rain jackets on, so it's not gonna rain, right? If you like stairs, then the hike from Dream Lake to Emerald Lake is definitely for you. We made it to Emerald Lake. Greetings from Emerald Lake. All right, we are leaving Emerald Lake, even though I didn't want to leave because they're so beautiful. And we're gonna try to find Lake Hyea. Again, I'm sorry if I'm butchering that. So we decided to skip Lake Hyea because we can't pronounce it. No, I'm just kidding. But it was like another 1.2 from Dream Lake, and we still want to catch Bear Lake. So I feel like we're pushing our luck a little bit with the weather. So we're gonna head down to Bear Lake and then back to the trailhead and get some much deserved food. Check out this fish in Dream Lake. So cool. Hi, little guy. We passed Nymph Lake. We're making our way down to Bear Lake. Gary is loving his hiking poles. So far, so good. We made it to Bear Lake.
So everything becomes an adventure with this one.
The balance beam! Can't take me anywhere. Gary is enjoying a much deserved break at Bear Lake.
She finally let me sit. Wow, she held that pretty good. That was pretty good.
That was pretty good.
You didn't present to the judges though. That's a 10th.
Hi, little guy. You got a lot of food in those cheeks. How is it? Nom 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 nom. All right, one last view from Bear Lake. It's time to hike back to the Glacier Gorge trailhead.
Need it, got it, need it, got it, got it, got it, got it.
We'll be back.
Right now we're 4.08.
We're 4 miles in. Just have to make it back to the car. We made it! Woo!
So we just got back to the car. We did the Bear Lake, Nymph Lake, Dream Lake, Emerald Lake loop. It's not really a loop, it's an out and back. But it was roughly 3 hours. It was 4.75 miles. Now we started at the Glacier Gorge parking lot. The same lot that we used this morning for Sky Pond. That's what added to our mileage, but it was an incredible day. 12 hours in the park.
Today was absolutely epic. I can't believe how much time we spent here and how many lakes we saw. So we'll be back tomorrow for Chasm Lake and hopefully Gem Lake after that. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Many more adventures are coming soon.